Before the video starts, I'd like to show you what I'm going to be wearing this summer on hot days, and that lasts very long, starting with Prada L'Homme Water Splash. It's just simply the Prada L'Homme DNA, refreshened with citruses, very fresh. It's called Water Splash to give you that fresh insignia. Next up, when you go to those barbecue outside parties or wherever you might go to some special events and you want to get noticed, this thing here is a magnet. It's called Paco Rabanne Invictus Legend. It's impressive projection out of this world. You will get noticed. This thing here just gets you compliments. Just probably the most complimented on this entire list. If you like a super duper freshie that lasts long, projects long, it's called Invictus Legend. And if you don't like it that sweet and that citrus, that sweet and fresh, you want a little bit toned down, just try this one. It's called Invictus Aqua. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit easier to wear, but this one here gets the job done. And finally, Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme Eau de Toilette, but the live edition Intense. It's in between the Eau de Toilette and the Parfum. If you're familiar with this, it's just an ultra fresh, intense. They call it YSL Intense Eau de Toilette. Favorite fragrance. That gets great women reactions on this one too. And now the video is gonna start. Welcome to the UnReal longest lasting, best performing fragrances of the summer. This is a list presented from good to great with such titles as Mancera and Tom Ford, even Acqua di Gio's flankers. But we're going to start today with this Mancera Lemon Lime, and in a few moments I'm going to tell you a couple cool summer hacks to even make your fragrances last a little longer. Mancera Lemon Lime is about a $60, $70, $80 fragrance, 3.4 ounces, and what it smells like is simply freshly cut organic lemons. When you ever smelled that before, this is what it smells like. It's called Lemon Lime. Yes, it has some lime notes in it, but basically you're smelling a fresh lemon. It's quite delicious, refreshing, and 8 hours long lasting. A real quick summer tip: when you're out and about in the summertime, fragrances tend to evaporate quicker, so you're gonna want to reapply them. Reapply them every 2 to 4 hours, even if they're long lasting ones, because the heat evaporates them. Sometimes the heat makes them push out even stronger. It also causes, because it pushes it out stronger, it causes it to evaporate sooner. So that's tip number one, is reapply. And how can you reapply even better? Try these little scent sprayers. You can get them anywhere for about $5, $10. And you carry this around. It shoots out a smaller amount than your regular bottle does because the bottle has a full trigger. This is a little scent sprayer. And you can find these scent sprayers with lots of the titles on this video at this website right here. It'll help supporting the channel. They're about $14.95, no subscription necessary. And the next fragrance I want to show you is called Acqua di Gio Absolu. I just love this fragrance in the summertime, springtime. It's got 3 transitions, and in a moment I'm going to show you the hidden gem of the day as well. This one has 3 transitions. It has a fresh, fruity opening. Then you have a sweet transition, and then you have a woody transition, kind of masculine. So waiting 8 hours later, that's how long it lasts easily. You get all 3 out of this. This is an Eau de Parfum concentration. Some people said they only want to squirt it once because that's how good it reacted with their skin. I like to squirt it like 1, 2, 3 times. Acqua di Gio Absolu is a true winner for the summertime. Alberto Marias created this Acqua di Gio Absolu. Lovely fragrance, all ages. 17 and up can use this. You can wear it to work, go out on the town, travel, conventions, whatever, it's any kind of situation. I don't think it might not be as good for clubbing because it's not that loud and projects like that, but it does last a nice amount of time. After I tried this, I retired my old Acqua di Gio from '94. Remember Alberto Marias in 2012, he created such hits as Acqua di Gio Essenza too, which I've never even tried. And if you wanted something, a similar scent, cheaper, we're not talking about clone, we're talking about a similar opening, which is a fresh, fruity, fresh opening. Try Nautica Voyage at $12, $14 for big bottles. Nice, fresh, fruity opening, considerably cheaper, as this is in the $100 zone. This is under $15. Next up, a great fragrance by Bond No. 9, long-lasting fragrance. But I'm going to tell you what the name of it. It's called Governor's Island. So that a cool bottle. Governor's Island is a calming, sensual fragrance with incense. It gives you a balsamic, dry, woody notes, but the incense mixes well with the ambroxan on this. it's got this delicious sweet honey note in it too that makes it calming and sweet. And the thing doesn't project that well, but it does. Beast mode longevity. And it just makes you feel like you're on some sort of boat or yacht or something. It's just got that sweet undertone. You'll really like it. And it's a cool bottle. It's got all the little cities, Lidget Hall, Nutten Island, all the little islands. I'm not familiar with this area, but it's a cool bottle, great smell. And next is the hidden gem of the day. This is a clone of Creed Aventus. If you're sick of hearing about it, skip over. If not, this is called Are You Serious? This thing smells like fresh cut pineapple. It projects like a beast for 2 hours. That's why I like it. And then you're smelling it all day long. You're like, what the heck? Is that really thing? Is that thing doing it? You get lots of compliments with Are You Serious? And it has that instant Creed Aventus endorphin hit when you smell this. You don't have to wait. It also smells very similar in the opening to Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man. And next one is a party timer, work timer, completely versatile fragrance called Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum. What does this do? It gets ladies' reaction. How long does it last? 8, 9, 10 hours. How long does it project? Really nice. You get lots of compliments. It smells good. There's nothing not to like about this fragrance. I just love to wear it all year round. Has sage, has a Champion League superstar formula in it. It's got some fresh and spicy notes and super long lasting. You can't say anything wrong about Yves Saint Laurent Y Eau de Parfum titles. And you now made it to the halfway mark. And since you made it this long, my name is Christian O if you're new here. And if you're not new here, welcome back. In this video, this channel likes to help you smell better for less, finding you new discoveries and showing you all things fragrances related. If you like that sort of content, click on playlist, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Playlist has lots and lots of organized videos there that you can just pick out a subject you'd like. Next up, this is a famous fragrance for beach time, all summer hot weather. Bulgari Aqua Atlantique. I blind bought this one back in 2017 when it came out. It reminds me of Brigantine Island, New Jersey, but that's where the Atlantic Ocean is, also along the whole coast of Florida. It smells like the Atlantic Ocean for some reason. I haven't really smelled the Pacific Ocean, but it gives you these green notes, some spicy patchouli and different notes that come into it. And at first, you might not like it because it's kind of strong, lemony blast coming at you, kind of synthetic-y. You might not like that. You just have to wait. The thing lasts forever. 9 hours is easy. People also compare this to Dylan Blue by Versace. They also compare it to Dior Sauvage. It does have those ish type qualities. But if you like Bulgari, it's high quality fragrances. It lasts long and you get compliments. Again, if you are new to Bulgari, this is a powerful fragrance, probably a level 2. You spray it on and wait, and then you'll like it afterwards. Look how much I've dented it. It lasted 2 years. Next up, we have some more cool fragrances from Mancera, Tom Ford, and the second hidden gem of the day. And right now, this is a great fragrance for summertime. And this one is called Tom Ford Neroli Portofino Aqua. Tom Ford is a fabulous fragrance artist. He makes such hit as M7, the old one from 2001. He was on that fragrance. And then they redid that M7 in 2006. I don't think he was on that one, but it doesn't matter. They smell good anyway. His fragrances are powerful, all these private line collections. So Neroli Portofino Aqua doesn't last as long as I would like, but the smell says summer. It's the best summer fragrance. If you're like in sales or something, I just picture real estate, high-end real estate dudes walking around wearing this, going to a quick lunch, spray this on, close the deal. It's that kind of fragrance. It's just fresh, light, aquatic, florals all mixed in, and citrusy as well, all together. So neroli, the word neroli in there is like an essential orange oil. It actually was created by Rodrigo Flores Roux. And the essential orange oil is kind of bitter, but it comes out with orange blossom, which kind of is sweet and fresh. And you got some white musk in there and amber woods, and it's just, yeah, also makes you think of being on a high-end yacht, So it just opens up to a fresh neroli and stays neroli throughout the whole experience. And the hidden gem of the day, number 2, is a great warm weather scent. It's awesome. I just found this in my box the other day. It's called Fan Defendi, the original Fan Defendi. It's got a dry down of spicy wood with leather in the background. Citrus that makes the scent so versatile. You can wear it in the office. The leather in it makes it great for all weather. Look at this color of this juice. It has this delicious, soft, woody basil red pepper leather, and I detect something sweet probably coming from the cardamom. Speaking of wood, have you ever tried Cedrat Boisé, which in French means cedar wood? And I love this fragrance because the ending notes, what I love, is has vanilla in it. It comes out after it dries down. Mancera Cedrat Boisé, lemon, vanilla, citruses all coming together out to play, and everything else that dries down. Then you get that sweet hit. There's so many debates on the video blogs, Fragrantica blogs about this is a Creta Ventus clone. I'm not so sure if it smells like it. I don't think it does that much, but some people have huge arguments over it. It's got a unique dusty dry down, and when you spray this at first, it kind of smells like a pineapple that's been on a grill. Can you imagine that smell right away? It's very much best for warmer weather than ages 25 and up. And next one for summer has lavender, woods, and tonka bean. And do you know what tonka bean is? It's kind of like a cherry almond, woody, spicy, slightly fresh note. And this is called Tom Ford Fougère d'Argent, which means fougère of money in French. D'argent means money. It's gorgeous scent for the warm weather. The longevity is outstanding. The price is outstanding too on this one. You're gonna pay a pretty penny for it, but man, you will smell like $1,000,000 wearing this. You don't even realize how good does it smell. It smells like some bad words going on in my head. So it's called Fougère d'Argent. All the links are going to be down below for all these. You made it to your top 2. And at the end of this video coming shortly, I'm going to go ahead and give you 5 more really cool titles that you can consider to buy and wear in the summertime. And a final tip, when wearing fragrances in the summer, try to wear unscented lotion and spray on top of that. It locks in the fragrance. And this one here is called Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. So you have some masculine spices mixed with lemon and mint. You get, look at this blue-green, can't really see, but it's like a blue-green bottle. The juice looks really cool. It's fresh, spicy, highly compliment getting, 12 hours long lasting Mancera Oud Lemon Mint. Awesome fragrance selection for high heat, all type of summertime. And then last one is a brand new one. People trash talk this one too, but I love it. It's called Sauvage Parfum. Sauvage Parfum is a more modern, youthful version of Dior Sauvage with not much of that bite. So your younger guys that don't like that Sauvage, check out this one. This is what you're supposed to get, the Parfum. It doesn't have that bitterness in the beginning. It's just sweet and delicious, and it's just more modern and it lasts long. It's a Parfum. Does it project like the beast mode? See, people like that Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette because it projects and gets them noticed, and that's pretty cool. And the Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette's the king. Yes, we do agree with that. This is just the new guy on the block, and he does a good job for the summer, and it's just fresh and unique. So try that. Here's your bonus section. We're going to start with one that's just really inexpensive. You can find and wear in the summertime. Legend Spirit by Mont Blanc. You just have a fresh, white, floral, musky type fragrance with citruses. It's easy to wear, and the best thing about this one, well, the longevity is 5 hours, but the compliments are through the roof. Mont Blanc Legend Spirit. And another one that's similar scent to that, which gets you very affordable, is called Lacoste Blanc, which is another fruity, white, floral musk with a touch of spice in it, and gets you massive compliments, and it's like 30 bucks just as that other Mont Blanc is. And another one that just lasts a super long time, it's called Dolce Gabbana Light Blue. Light Blue is less than $40, maybe even less than $30 now. And they do have a Light Blue Eau Intense, which lasts double almost the time of this one lasts 5. The Eau Intense might last 8, 9, 10 hours, but they're both very good, fresh fragrances. Now this Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue came out many years ago. The O Intense version came out recently, like 2-3 years ago. And another fragrance for them summer cool nights, you try Prada Luna Rosa Black. It's kind of the hidden gem in the Luna Rosa family. It's a fresh, spicy type fragrance with dark notes, like kind of like a dark chocolate, kind of like a Dr. Pepper soda vibe going on with that. But it gets you massive compliments and lasts 8 hours. And yes, it is an eau de parfum. And then they have another fragrance by Prada Luna Rosa called Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. Carbon is Italian for carbon. And anyway, this one here smells like Dior Sauvage, and people rate it which one do you like better. This has been an ongoing battle of this Prada Luna Rosa Carbon, which one is better. Did you know YouTube is suggesting to watch this video right here, and I'm suggesting you to watch this one. And the question of the day today was going to be, what's your longest lasting summer fragrance? Comment down below. Pick!
You're a